In this video, we're going to show you a demonstration on how the Dixon FT7000 rack monitor works.
So here we have a typical installation that you may find at a loading rack. So in a typical installation on a load rack, you'll have the monitor bolted to the steel structure. We have conduit entries, one here where your 110, 240 volt will come into the unit for powering. We have a connection port here. This is where your relay outputs or your RS-485 data communication may come out and communicate to the automation system. We also have a conduit entry point on the other side for also relay outputs, so you can come either way on the unit. We have a connection port here. This is what we call the field safe or intrinsically safe output. This connection here will come to a junction box. Inside the junction box is a terminal strip where the plug and cord is connected. These electrical signals are certified to be safe in an explosive atmosphere. Sparks and heat are bad and can cause fires, and these signals are certified not to release enough energy to detonate an explosive atmosphere. So we have one standard monitor that's used worldwide, but the junction box and the plug and cord is configurable for whatever region you're going into per that selection chart. Let me take a moment and demonstrate how the system operates when we have it connected to an overfill system. We'll do that with our trusty mug of water here. And when we wet the sensor, you can see the lights and the status on the display changes pretty significantly. First, we go from green permissive state, which is a permissive state means it will allow the trailer to be loaded with fuel, to a non-permissive state. Now the valving is closed and no loading can progress. We can also watch the number of compartment light change here. So number one light lights up, telling us that the first sensor in the string of 8 sensors is wetted. You can see that the Lynx light comes on, warning us that this is an actual overfill. If we were to break connection, you can see we go to a non-permissive state, but the rest of these lights go out. The unit now detects that it's a broken connection, and it simply takes all of the status lights away and removes the permissive signal so we cannot load the trailer.
If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, contact us at dixonvalve.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.